welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Sattvic diet, meaning, benefits and way of life. According to Ayurveda, the Sattvic diet is considered to be the healthiest and nutritious diet for every human being. NutureMite brings you the most healthy and beneficial pieces of information for its viewers. In the books of Ayurveda, 3 diets are being considered for full body growth. Ayurveda pays equal importance to the health of mind, body, and spirituality. By dividing the needs of mental, physical, and spiritual health, Ayurveda gives the individual diet for maintaining the balance in Sattvic, Tamasic, or Rajasic diets. What is the Sattvic diet? It is a combination of nutrition, time, and consistency. Unlike every other balanced diet, the Sattvic diet is full vegan. It does not include any meat products and eggs too are not used. Sattvic diet is recommended by Ayurveda to develop as well as to maintain the sattva. The sattva means pure and clear, something very clear and free of any impurity or instability. What is there in this diet? Sattvic diet always asks for discipline. It serves the only food which has high nutritious values and high life forces. The mindset requires more clarity in thoughts to perform any tough decision. Sattvic food has their major dependence on the season food, the level of freshness of the veggies and fruits. It asks to consider the what and pith of a person before eating certain cereals and spices. The methods used to prepare and consume the food also matter. What makes a normal diet sattvic? The following are the traits of a sattvic diet: easy to digest, made with fresh veggies, only seasonal veggies and fruits, depends on the type of cooking utensils used while cooking, spices that come directly from Mother Earth, very low and simple gravy. It doesn't contain use of white sugar, no use of saturated fats, processed oil, processed cheese, etc. Use of stale foods or leftovers in the sattvic dish is restricted. No use of foods that are stored in packets for months. Example, Tetra Pak beverages or liquids, canned food, processed raw powders, etc. Food which has more seeds inside them. When we are having a sattvic diet, we try to include as many food items as possible that are easy to digest and provide a high energy level. What to include in your diet? First, food that comes in direct contact with sunlight. Second, food which has the nutrition of the soil. Third, the soil grown foods. These draw in earth energy and are very high in minerals and nutrients. Fourth, fresh juice of any seasonal vegetable or fruit. Fifth, a fresh salad of any fruit or vegetable that is rich in vitamin C. Sixth, fresh lime in water drink. This will help to detox your body. Any citrus fruit or its drink must be taken after having the food. Seventh, while summers, one should try to include at least one milk drink. Lunch is considered the best time to have curd lassi or chach. This will prevent you from getting any dehydration attack during peak humidity. 8th, a wholesome amount of dry fruits with dalia or porridge in the breakfast. 9th, sprouted seeds are one of the main ingredients of the sattvic diet. They provide a really good amount of fiber to our body, and also sprouts helps to keep our intestines clean. This helps to prevent any sort of stomach upsetting problems. 10th, herbal tea, honey, ginger, jaggery, cinnamon, cloves, bay leaves. All these are very important for our body to take in any form. The Sattvic diet promotes the use of them in its dishes to complete their necessity. Anything that is vegan and comes directly from the Mother Earth and is easy to digest can be added to your diet to make it Sattvic. Why Sattvic diet? Sattvic diet has many benefits over any normal or non-vegan diet. The Sattvic diet demands quite a lot of restrictions. While modern science has its way to pursue the meaning of a healthy diet, one might wonder why to opt for a difficult and much demanding diet for maintaining health. But when you take a look at any diet that are sure to provide the maximum benefit for health and reducing the risk of getting any diseases, you will find that there are restrictions too. The benefits of the Sattvic diet are as follows. First, helps boost your immunity. Second, resist getting any seasonal discomfort. Third, helps in maintaining a balanced weight. 4. Helps in reducing the risk of getting chronic diseases. 5th, purify the blood without the intake of any external medicines. 6th, helps in having a clean intestine and reduces the risk of getting constipation. So overall, there are many benefits of switching to the Sattvic diet, and the most important thing is that it has no side effects. So always try to keep yourself fit and healthy with proper nutrition and diet.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.